Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Google account and site access, so open Analytics. Google, and sign in. Create a new GA4 property, name it, set reporting time zone and currency, then click Create. Once done, go to Admin Data Streams and add your website stream. Choose Web and enter the site URL. You'll immediately see a measurement ID like GXXXXXXX. Copy this now, because you'll paste it into your site's header or Tag Manager in the next steps. You'll install tracking using Google Tag Manager, a CMS plugin, or by pasting the G tag. JS snippet into your site's head. If using GTM, create a new GA4 configuration tag, enter the measurement ID, set the trigger to all pages, and publish the container. If editing files directly, paste the provided G tag. JS above the closing head tag on every page. Make sure to clear caches, and then open Debug View in Analytics to confirm events appear in real time. You finish by configuring conversions and events. Mark important events as conversions in Admin and set any custom parameters you need. Once done, verify reporting by checking real-time reports and wait 24-48 hours for standard data flow. If you don't see data, first clear caches and disable ad blockers, then use Debug View and the browser console to look for script or 403 errors. Make sure measurement ID matches exactly, and that any CSP or plugin isn't blocking the tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.